Okay. I have climbed this one many a time, but I don't think I've ever filmed my POV. This is the smaller of the two in my yard, and I don't know if I can do it with shoes on. We're gonna find out. I've only ever climbed this barefooted, but yeah, with these shoes. Oh, totally in control. Oh yeah. Here we go. Whew. So that first bit is really the only hard part, but up here can be tricky as well, especially with the sun. I'm also just kind of screwing around with the route right now. See that? That's why you gotta check your holds. I've climbed this tree dozens of times, and you just cannot get too comfortable, because you never know when a limb that worked fine last time is just going to decide to drop. This is a view into a beautiful area. Might get a little noisy. Here we are. This is the seating area. Completely shrouded. Pretty much, anyway. We're, say 40 or 50 feet up. The top of the other one. Alright. Go ahead and just angle the camera down. This is the type of climbing where I don't really want to talk much because I need to focus, but it's also potentially boring for a video, but oh well. Don't want to get snagged on one of these. Because it would not be pretty. Could rip open your stomach like nothing. Look at that. That little shirt nub right there. Okay. Actually, probably the most uncomfortable part of this whole climb is getting down right here. Rest. I like to grab the tree and Easy peasy. Good. No cuts this time.